Unveiling the mystery. What are audiobook credits? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel a topic that often puzzles many of our English language learners. Audiobook credits. If you love reading but find yourself short on time, audiobooks might just be your best friend. But what about these so-called credits that come along with them? Let's dive in and find out. Before we talk about credits, let's understand what an audiobook is. An audiobook is a recording of a book or other work being read aloud. It's like having a storyteller in your pocket. You can listen to audiobooks on various devices, such as smartphones, tablets, computers, or even specialized audiobook players. Now, onto the main topic, audiobook credits. Imagine credits as a currency in the audiobook world. When you subscribe to an audiobook service, you often receive credits on a monthly or yearly basis. One credit generally equals one audiobook, regardless of the audiobook's length or price. Using your credits is straightforward. You simply choose the audiobook you want, and instead of paying cash, you redeem one of your credits for it. It's important to note that unused credits can accumulate, depending on the service's policies, but they might also expire if not used within a certain time frame. Audiobook credits come with several benefits. They offer flexibility in choosing titles across different genres and authors. Credits also make it easier to manage your budget, as you spend a fixed amount on your subscription and not on individual books. Plus, they can encourage you to explore new genres or authors you might not typically consider. Audiobook credits are a fantastic way to enjoy literature in our busy lives. They bring stories to our ears, whether we're driving, cooking, or just relaxing. We hope this video has shed light on what audiobook credits are and how they can enhance your reading, or rather, listening experience. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Happy listening!